Here it is, March 30, 2023. I'm back down here at the Civic Center Mall today, shooting some video. It just so happens that right now they're beginning their setup for an event that will occur on Saturday, which will be the Scottsdale Gala event, which is connected with the Performing Arts Center. They're setting up trusses for lighting and getting everything set up so that tomorrow night they can do a rehearsal out here and test the lighting and their sound system, all whatnot, so they'll be ready for Saturday. If I pan around back over here this way, you can see they're out here. They'll be setting up their sound booth back out here, and then in the lawn area out here there's going to be a lot of tables and chairs where they'll serve their dinner out here. So that should be interesting to see. Maybe I can come down here and on Friday and shoot some of the rehearsal stuff. We'll see if I can do that. But this is what we got going on right here. I just on a lark decided to come down here today, see what was going on, get out of the house, and so we got this setup being fixed up here, and we're checking everything out, testing it. This will be the first use of the new lighting system, I believe. I talked to the guy who's sort of in charge of the setup, and he said that that the new lights were computer controlled and could adjust their color via the computer system. So should be interesting. They'll use the new lighting plus their own larger PAR lighting, probably is what they'll be doing there. So let me cut this short, and I'm going to move around a little bit and maybe shoot it from some other angles here, see what's happening out here today. Time now is 10:40 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Right, I moved around just a little bit. I'm shooting now with my telephoto lens. Get a little bit closer view of the action here. You can see what they're doing up there. Hanging their truss. That'll be used to hold more lighting, I believe, and then eventually the sound system will get set up. Not sure how that'll go. And then back out here, you can see they're working on getting what I assume will be the control booth set up back here, where they'll control sound and lighting for the show back right there. So just a little bit. We're running cables around the edge here. That's what these guys are doing over here. It's one of the guys I talked to there. They're running their cables around here, which I assume then will tie in back over somewhere. It'll tie in to where they can control the system there. This is what we got going on down here today. Getting this all rigged up for a new, maybe one of the first big events that will be held out here to sort of celebrate the new mall area and the Scottsdale Performing Arts, I think. So let me cut this short here, and I'm going to move on around and shoot some other stuff and see what's happening out here today. Alrighty. Right, here I am back over here where the new A-line bar is going up. And I'll shoot just a little bit here. You can see they have their poster up here with the depiction of how the bar will look in the future. Right here, let me center up on that. And then it'll be right here by AZ88, taking the place of the old Pippin restaurant bar that was here. So you can see that they're getting that steel structure up, so they'll have that upper deck there fixed up. And that's getting put into place. It's coming along pretty good. Still some work to do there, no doubt. But it'll be a nice addition to the area out here. Another new bar that'll liven up the area. And then back over here, Canopy, where they're working to set up their lighting and sound systems for the gala that will happen on Saturday. Well, that'll be one of the first big events down here, will be the gala. And they come down here tomorrow night and see if I can shoot some of the testing of the lighting system. We'll see if I can accomplish that. Down here you can see this dirt area, which I don't know what they're going to do with this, but if it just stays like this, it just on rainy times it just turns into kind of a mud hole swamp here, which is kind of poorly thought through if that's what that's going to be, but I'm sure they'll probably come up with something better than just dirt out here, I'm hoping. But this is what we got going on here. It's going to be just some short walk around shoot today. See what I can get in. Let me cut this short and I'm going to move on to the West Paseo and shoot a little bit down there probably. Alright. Right, here I am down in the West Paseo. Just going to shoot just a little bit here. The little museum is open today. First time I've seen it open in several years now, but I'm sure it's been open before today. But got the little sign out here. The museum is open for the public to see. Until Scott and his wife Helen and their mule here. Whole mall area slowly working itself towards a new normal. It's a little bit breezy today. Got some rain in the east side of the valley this morning, so could have some rain showers passing through occasionally. A little bit cooler. I think it's probably in the mid-50s or something. Been a fairly cool fall overall. Yearlings here in their place. So, let me cut this short here and we'll move on back down towards the main area, see what's happening down there, and then probably call it a quits here in a little bit. Alrighty. Alright, here I am back down here in the Central Mall area. You can see that they're continuing to set up their systems back down here. Got another truss fixed up with possibly lighting on it. Not sure. Working on getting this all fixed up for their gala on Saturday. walk back around here to the incline ramp. Finish up my day down there.
You can pull both at the same time now.
Now they're painting the handrails down here. Is one of the last things they have to do, it looks like. So getting this ready to go. Probably be ready to go by Saturday, I would think, so they would have it for the gala event up here. Have this all fixed up and ready to show off to the public. Be able to park and come up from the parking structure there. Let me wrap around this way and I'll finish up down here. Just be a little bit of a short shoot today, more or less. Get a view down the incline ramp there. Comes up from the parking structure. This will be a nice addition to the area for people to access the new mall, renovated mall area. Back up here, all new incline ramp, leading up into the mall area there. Walk on around to the end here and get a shot. Right here, the whole ramp area with the steps that go up from the library. This is looking good. So when we finish up here today, I just want to come down and see a little bit of what was going on, see if there's anything new. I thought maybe the ramp would be open, but my guess is it'll be ready to go by Saturday. Alrighty, let's call this good. Time now is 11:04 a.m. Mountain Standard Time.